Chevy factory valve train components have come a long way since the first small blocks rolled off the assembly line in the 50s. Today's LS power plants come stock with parts that hot rodders would have killed for decades ago. But that doesn't mean there's no room for improvement. And Comp Cams has got a complete line of valve train components for LS engines that combine old school hot rodding know-how with state-of-the-art design and manufacturing techniques. Stock LS rockers are pretty well designed from the factory with needle bearings and a trunnion design rather than the traditional small block Chevy stud mount pivots. They're durable and reliable in normal service, but let's face it, around here it's not a normal service kind of operation. One common point of failure for the stock LS rocker arms is the needle bearings. Now they're not captive in the stock design, which means that if you break a rocker arm, you're going to end up with needles in your oil, and that's something you really want to avoid. Comp has got a cost-effective solution to this problem with their trunnion retrofit kit. It replaces those uncaged needles with a caged bearing that rides on an 8620 alloy steel trunnion that replaces the powdered metal trunnion in the stock rockers. Now it does require a press to do the installation, but the process is pretty simple, and at about $140, it's a cheap peace of mind. The next step up in Comp's line of rocker arm upgrades for the LS series are their Ultra Gold ARC series aluminum rocker arms. Now ARC stands for Arced, Recessed, and Contoured. Through finite element analysis, the rocker bodies are designed to be stronger and stiffer without adding mass, with the best strength to weight ratio possible. Roller tips reduce valve train friction and prevent side loads on the valve stems, and a spring oiler channel through the body improves lubrication. They're proven to withstand aggressive spring pressure and valve lift. These rockers are available in both 1.72 and 1.82 ratios, as well as adjustable versions for solid lifter applications. Finally, there's Comp's shaft mount rocker system. For the ultimate in valve train stability, this uses a one-piece steel shaft for each cylinder head and bodies that are made out of 2024 aluminum. Now you can see from the offset rockers on this particular piece that this is designed for LS3 or L92 style heads, but Comp also offers shaft mount rocker systems for Generation 3 LS engines in both 1.7 and 1.8 rocker ratios. For our C5 Corvette, we're going to be using the Gold Series rocker arms in a 1.82 rocker ratio. Now because our engine is internally stock and we're running the stock camshaft, we know that there's not going to be any problems with piston to valve interference, but we're still going to get a little bit of extra lift and duration and improved performance on our car. Let's go take a look. Swapping rockers is a straightforward task that can be done in an easy afternoon's worth of work. Now thanks to Comp's Ultra Gold ARC Series rockers, we've freed up some horsepower that was lost to friction and bought some insurance against damage that can be caused when the stock rockers fail.